little fella. Hey, Pippi. Oh, Pips. Where are you going, little one? Have you got a little calf in your paddock? A bit rude, isn't it? I know. Look at him running around. How gorgeous. Oh, look. My goodness, Tilly, he's a little ball of fire, isn't he? Oh, he's gorgeous. Oh, look at him go. Oh, yes. You're a good mum, aren't you? You have to try and keep up with him, Till. You do. You poor old thing. He completely ignores you. Hi, baby. Hi, Till. He's my little helper. Hi, princess. Oh, he's happy. He loves going into the sheds to have his sleep. So there's a lot of sheds. So they go in a line. So he's got a lot to choose from. So he's come up to the in shed for his little sleep today. So cute. He's come up for his sleep. Tilly Till. Can't get any closer because I'm on the wrong side of the fence. But there we go. He's really doing well. And Tilly's a very good mum. And it's a very dull morning. But at least it's not hot. Very dull. Anyway, we'll see you for the next instalment and see what the little fella's up to next time. He seems to just grow so much every day. It's amazing. Okay, see you tomorrow.